You remember we were talking today about the microcosmic orbit, this big river of energy that comes from the pelvic floor from the back, and in the Chinese tradition kind of comes the way up here and closes here, and then another from the pelvic floor up, another river of energy, conception vessel, comes from the front and ends up here. That's the microcosmic orbit. But they also talk about a macrocosmic orbit that involves also our arms and our legs as they go up, and we can, then make a bigger orbit, right? So this involves both orbits, and I like to call it circle of light. And there are practices in different traditions that work with this circle of light that we can create around ourselves, so that we are in this like egg of light that's very healing and relaxing and all that. So arms float up to the side, and we are going to scoop chi. So our trunk comes forward, and we are scooping chi from the earth, receiving the healing, cooling energy of the earth, and the hands are together almost like a cup or two cups united, and we are bringing this, and is now feeding our inner centers, and it's coming also in front of the third eye, and it keeps going up. So here is almost like a prayer to the universe, and it goes up, and here we pivot and we come down with this circle of light. So creating a circle, again humbly receiving from the earth the cooling energy, allowing it to come through us, through the very centers, healing what needs to be healed and illuminated. And then it keeps going up like a prayer, opening ourselves. And then there is a circle of light. The blessings are showered on us. And we keep bending ourselves, receiving humbly the energy from the earth, allowing it to cleanse us, springing up. Keep praying for divine grace, divine light, peace. And then there is this circle of light. And again. Reconnecting the little self with the higher self, with pure consciousness, which is in us and all around us, realizing we are these moving fields of consciousness, supported by the earth and nourished by the heavens, and all this light around us and inside us. So we're going to experience 3 more times, opening ourselves to receive the light. Giving thanks for this gift. Do 2 more. Softening, receiving, praying for grace, and also doing our work, or our commitment, our visiting these spaces, so that the work can happen. The transformation can happen, inviting light in our life. One last time. eventually the hands come down, all the way down to here. We put our feet together and our hands together, giving thanks for the many blessings in our life and for these moments of peace that we have been able to experience, and dedicating that experience of peace to someone who at this moment may be needing a whiff of peace in their life. Maybe someone that you know, or you can put it in the general pool of humanity. There's lots of people suffering and needing peace and light.